Hello friends, welcome to Maths is Easy. So today we are doing algebraic expressions. Let us do 5.2. Hashtag 4 is the serial number of the video. So understand this chapter completely by watching all the videos before the exam starts. So by the end of this video, we'll be able to understand how to do the multiplication of the algebraic expressions. So at the end, I'll be sharing tips and tricks to multiply the algebraic expressions, how to do it very conveniently. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So let us do 5.2 first. A part of first question. Tick mark the correct answer. First is the value of 1 by 2 xyz into minus 4xy square is what? How to do it? We will solve it like I'm showing the solution also so that you will be able to understand how to deal with this type of questions. So we will write first 1 by 2 xyz or xyz and minus 4xy square. So the first step is separate all the expressions and constants, separate all the constants and variables of the expressions in your first step. So separate it 1 by 2 into minus 4 constant into x into y square into z. So in our next step, we'll be writing what? Cancel it. So it will be remain with minus 2 x 1 plus 1 into y 1 plus 2 into z. And I am showing what is the reason of added, these powers added. X raised to the power m, x raised to the power n will be equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So in our next step, we'll be writing minus 2 x square y3 and z. X square y3 and z. So which part is it? B part. So here answer is B. Hope the question is clear. Let's move further. So the value of x raised to the power 52 into x raised to the power minus 13 and 0 into 0. So first, set it into your minds that if something is getting multiplied with 0, answer will always be 0. If something is getting multiplied with 0, answer will always be 0. So A part, 0 is its answer. Hope the question is clear. Let's move further. The value of 25 x cube y square z for x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. So we have to put the values in these variables and solve it out. So I'm showing each of the calculations so that nothing will seem to be tough. X, instead of x, we'll put 1 cube. Instead of y, we'll put 2 square. And instead of z, we'll put 3. And according, we'll put the what? Powers also. So 25 into 1 cube means 1, 2 square means 4, and 3, 3. So 25 into 12, 25 into 12, everybody knows how to multiply it. 50 and 25, it will be equal to 300. So answer is 300, which is the C part of it. So answer is 300, which is the C part of it. Hope the question is clear. Let's move further. Fourth question is, when the product of x raised to the power 5 into x raised to the power 2 into x raised to the power 6 is expressed as a monomial, we get how to do it? As all the variables are given in multiplication, so in multiplication, there is a rule. Try to learn all the rules so that it will be convenient to put it in your calculations. So x 5 plus 2 plus 6. We'll have to give the law using x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So here it can be written as 6 plus 2, 8 plus 5, 13. So it will become x raised to the power 13. So what answer is it? B part is it. So this is our answer. Let's move further. Fifth part, the product of minus 3x square y, 4xy square and 2xyz is. So I'm doing the calculation so that it will be convenient to understand for all of you. So minus 3x square y into 4xy square into 2xyz. So how to do it? How to do it? Follow each step so you will be able to do it very conveniently. So separate the constant first of all, then variables. X square into x, then y into y square into y into z. So in our next step, 3 4s are 12 into minus 24. It will become x 1 2 3 4, x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 4 and z. So it will be like C part. It is C part. So C is the answer. Let's move further. Multiply the following monomials. We have to multiply it. How to do it? Just see carefully each step one by one. We have to multiply. So an x square y into 2y square x square. And x square y into 2y square x square. So in our next step, we'll be writing 9 into 2. Separate each variable x square into y square. So 9 2s are 18. Here x 2 plus 2 into y 1 plus 2. So we'll write using law you have to give in each step. It is having marks itself of writing the law. So please don't forget to write the law x m plus n. So here it will become 18 x3 y3. x4, not x3, 2 plus 2 x4. So it will become x4 y3. So using the law x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n equal to x raised to the power m plus n, it will become 18 x4 y3. Let's move further. Minus 5a square b square and a square b square. Same step will be followed. What? Minus 5, nothing is there means we'll assume is as 1 into a square into a square. Now into b square into b square. So we'll write minus 5 a 2 plus 2 into b 2 plus 2. We'll write using x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So we'll be writing what? We'll be writing minus 5 a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 4. This is our answer. Let's move further. Third part is given as what? Third part is given as 16 by 9 ABC and 9 by 8 A cube B square C. So same step will be followed. 16 into 9 by 8. Split it all. A into A cube into B square into C. So in our next step, we'll cancel it out. 16 by 9 into 9 by 8. So 9, 8 to the 16. It will become A1 plus 3 into B1 plus 2 into C1 plus 1. We'll write the law using x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n will be equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So in our next step, we'll be writing the answer. So answer will become what? 2 a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 3, c raised to the power power 2. So this is our, so answer is 2a raised to the power 4 b cube c square. Let's move further. Fourth part is minus 4 by 3 ab and 3 by 2 a square c. Follow the steps. First, minus 4 by 3 ab and 3 by 2 a square c. You can add this step also. In our next step, we'll be writing split all the things. Minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 2 into a square into b into c. So cancel it out. Minus 2 a 1 plus 2 into b into c. We'll write using x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n will be equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So in our next step, we'll be writing the answer minus 2a cube b c. This is our answer. I hope all the questions are quite clear till yet. If facing any type of doubt, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Let's move further. Question number 2. So question number 2 is find the product of minus 3x square y, 4xy square and 6x square yz. So first, put multiplication sign in between all the expressions or all the terms, 6x square yz. Then in our next step, split all the constant and all the variables. X square into x square, split y into y square into y, and at the end into z. Let's move further. Now multiply all the things. So minus 3 into 4, 12, and 12 6 are minus 72. Here x 2 plus 1 plus 2 into y 1 plus 2 plus 1 into z. We'll write the law using x m into x and will be equal to what? X m plus n. So our answer will become minus 72 x 5 y 4 z. This is our answer. Let's continue with the second part. So second part is given as 4xyz minus 2x2 z square and 5 cube x cube y cube z cube. So 4xyz into minus 2x square y square z square into 5x cube y cube z cube. So split all the constants into x square into x cube into y square into y cube into z square into z cube. So multiply minus 4 into minus 2, 8, 8 5 is a 40 minus 40. It will become x 1 plus 2 plus 3 into y 1 plus 2 plus 3 into y 1 plus 2 plus 3 into z 1 plus 2 plus 3. So in our next step, final step, we will be writing minus 40 x 6 y 6 z 6. This is our answer. So as I have promised, I am sharing all the tips and tricks related to multiplication of algebraic expressions. So first remember, put multiplication sign. Put multiplication sign in between the expressions. Put multiplication sign in between the terms. In between the terms, you can say in between the terms or expressions. Put multiplication sign in between the terms and whatever is given to us, put the multiplication sign. Second step is split all the constants. Split all the constants Split all the constants and variables. Split all the constants and variables. Whatever is given, split all these. Now, multiply the constants. Multiply the constants. Multiply the constants. And in our next step, fourth, add the variables. Add the variables which are same. Which are same. Add the variables which are same using the law. Using the law. Using the law x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n equal to x raised to the power m plus n. This law has its own marks, so please don't forget to write this law. And at the end, write all the terms collectively. Write all the terms collectively as an answer. Write all the terms collectively as an answer. So follow these steps. So to multiply, follow these steps to multiply all your expressions and you will face no problem in it. So it was all about today's video. In my upcoming videos, I'll be solving more of the questions of algebraic expressions. So if you guys like my videos or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Plus, moreover, I have solved many of the chapters of mathematics success, also exploring mathematics you are seeing. So do check it out, all the playlists which are given in the description of this video. Thank you so much.